Have you ever wondered how meditation can help in hair growth? A question that might seem peculiar at first, but the answer is rooted deeply in the science of stress management and its impact on our bodies. You see, stress is one of the significant culprits behind hair loss. When we're stressed, our bodies produce a hormone called cortisol, which can disrupt the hair growth cycle, leading to thinning hair or even hair loss. Now, this is where meditation enters the picture. Meditation is a proven technique to reduce stress levels, as it allows us to calm our minds and bodies, helping to lower cortisol levels. With reduced cortisol levels, our bodies can maintain a healthy hair growth cycle, leading to stronger, fuller hair. Science supports this too. Studies have shown a positive correlation between regular meditation and improved hair health. So, the connection is there. Meditation and hair growth are linked. Indeed, meditation might be the secret ingredient to your hair growth journey. Now that you know the benefits of meditation, you might be wondering how to start. Don't worry, it's simpler than you might think, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. First off, find a quiet place where you can meditate without interruption. This could be a corner of your room, a spot in your backyard, or even a local park. Just make sure it's somewhere you feel at ease and can be alone with your thoughts. Next, sit comfortably. You don't need to twist yourself into a pretzel. A simple cross-legged position on a cushion or sitting upright in a chair will do just fine. The goal here is to find a position where your body feels relaxed, but your mind remains alert. Now close your eyes and begin to focus on your breath. Notice the sensation of the air entering your nostrils, filling your lungs, and then leaving your body. This focus on your breath will act as an anchor, keeping you in the present moment and helping you to let go of any distracting thoughts. Speaking of thoughts, don't be alarmed if your mind starts to wander. This is perfectly normal, especially for beginners. When you notice your attention drifting away, gently bring it back to your breath, without judgment or frustration. Remember, meditation is not about emptying your mind, but rather about learning to be present with whatever arises. As you continue this practice, you might encounter challenges such as restlessness or boredom. Don't be discouraged. These are common hurdles that even experienced meditators face. If you find yourself struggling, try to approach these feelings with curiosity rather than resistance. Ask yourself, what can this restlessness teach me about my mind? Above all, be patient with yourself. Meditation is a journey, not a destination. Some days will feel easier than others, and that's okay. The important thing is to keep showing up, keep breathing, and keep being present. Remember, the key to successful meditation is consistency. Make it a part of your daily routine, and you will start to see its benefits. Our journey into the realm of meditation and hair growth brings us to the heart of the matter, the scientific evidence. Multiple studies have shown a clear connection between the two. One such study, published in the International Journal of Yoga, found that participants practicing meditation regularly over a period of 12 weeks showed significant improvements in hair thickness and overall hair health. Moreover, we have countless testimonials from individuals who've incorporated meditation into their daily routine and have witnessed remarkable changes. Take, for instance, Sarah, a 35-year-old woman who was struggling with severe hair loss. After incorporating daily meditation into her routine, she noticed not just a reduction in hair fall, but also new growth. She shared, "Meditation was a game changer for me. I was skeptical at first, but now I can't imagine my life without it." So what's the science behind this? Well, when we meditate, our bodies undergo several physiological changes. Our heart rate slows down, our blood pressure drops, and our body enters a state of deep relaxation. This relaxation helps reduce the levels of cortisol, a hormone known to contribute to hair loss. Additionally, meditation improves blood circulation, ensuring that your hair follicles get the nutrients they need for healthy growth. As you can see, the evidence supporting the connection between meditation and hair growth is compelling. Meditation is not just good for your mind and body, but also for your hair. So why not give it a try? After all, the journey to a healthier mind and healthier hair might just be a few breaths away.